Psalm 27 verse 14, wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord. Isaiah 40 verse 31, but those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, they will run and not grow weary, they will walk and not be faint. Lamentations 3 verses 25 to 26, the Lord is good to those whose hope is in Him, to the one who seeks Him, it is good to wait quietly for the salvation of the Lord. Romans 8 verse 25, but if we hope for what we do not yet have, we wait for it patiently. James 5 verses 7 to 8, be patient, then, brothers and sisters, until the Lord's coming. See how the farmer waits for the land to yield its valuable crop, patiently waiting. You too, be patient and stand firm, because the Lord's coming is near. Psalm 37 verse 7, be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. Do not fret when people succeed in their ways, when they carry out their wicked schemes. Galatians 6 verse 9, let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Micah 7 verse 7, but as for me, I watch and hope for the Lord, I wait for God my Savior, my God will hear me. Hebrews 10 verse 36, you need to persevere so that when you have done the will of God, you will receive what He has promised. Psalm 130 verse 5, I wait for the Lord, my whole being waits, and in His word I put my hope. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.